We've just acquired this very rare. It's a 7-seater Mercedes E-Class estate. It's absolutely lovely condition throughout. As you can see, it's gleaming black metallic. Rear privacy glass, front park distance control, full proper leather interior, 7 seats there. They just close into there to give you a better gap. And it's got rear park distance control as well. It's electric tailgate. Electric windows and mirrors, electric seats. So the proper leather interior, not the Artico. Automatic headlights. Still 86,372 miles. 86,372 miles. It's got heated seats, climate control, Bluetooth, paddle shift on the gearbox. It's a very nice high-spec car. At DJH, full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.